In a concerted effort to strengthen Nigeria's criminal justice system and rebuild public trust, security operatives from multiple agencies convened in Benin City for a capacity-building workshop on the effective implementation of the Administration of Criminal Justice Law, ACJL 2016. The training brought together officers from the Police, Department of State Services (DSS), Economic and Financial Crimes Commission (EFCC), Independent Corrupt Practices and Other Related Offences Commission (ICPC), and other agencies. Participants listened keenly as legal scholars and judicial officers dissected the practical applications of the ACJL and its role in promoting fair and efficient justice delivery. Criminologist and legal scholar Professor Emmanuel Obari-Siabon set the tone for the event, stressing that good laws are meaningless without the will to enforce them. He described the ACJL 2016 as a transformative legal framework designed to correct systemic flaws in Nigeria's criminal justice process, offering what he termed renewed hope for true justice.
No matter how good a program or an act or a statute or a law is, the enforcement, the implementation is what really matters. And so having them come together and we are talking to them on how to be more efficient and how they can achieve goals that have been set before them, I think that it's a worthy cause.
Justice Godwin Okundamiya of the Edo State High Court cautioned security agencies against the use of torture during investigations. He emphasized that coerced confession not only jeopardized individual cases, but also erode the integrity of the entire judicial system, often leading to failed prosecutions and wrongful convictions.
For any confessional statement to be relevant and admissible, it must be made by the defendant out of his own free will and choice. It must be made out of his own volition. He must not be compelled. He must not have been promised anything. He must not have undergone one torture or the other, or oppression. He must not have been oppressed.
The workshop was organized by Clean Foundation, a civil society organization committed to enhancing public safety and justice. Program Officer Blessing Eromon noted that the initiative aims to equip law enforcement personnel with the knowledge and tools to effectively apply the ACJL in Edo State, fostering transparency, accountability, and respect for human rights.
I want to use this medium to appreciate the rule of law and anti-corruption. We call them ROLAC, for their support. Without them, we would not be here having this meeting and training these sets of law enforcement agencies. We want to really appreciate them, and also to note that this is the first batch of the meeting. The second one will come in and is still training and training.
Participants described the training as timely and impactful, underscoring the need for stronger interagency collaboration, adherence to due process, and a human rights-based approach to law enforcement.
Having been in the force for over 20 years, there is a practice, there is this act which has been enforced before now, which we are used to. So now there is a change and there are new inputs in the new law. Now it is an opportunity to help enlighten us and let us know those changes that are new, and then help us to follow the new trends, because policing is dynamic.
Supported by the rule of law and the anti-corruption program, ROLAC, the workshop forms part of a broader effort to close operational gaps within the judicial sector and ensure that vital legal reforms such as the ACJL 2016 and the Anti-Torture Act 2017 are not just enacted but effectively implemented.